Hi there, students. Initiative. Okay, initiative is a noun. I think both countable and uncountable. It has various different uses. Firstly, you could use initiative to mean a new plan. So there has been a peace initiative by a third country to try to end the war. The police have started an initiative to reduce crime in the area. So a new plan or a new process to achieve something or to resolve a problem. We can also use initiative talking about the ability to use your judgment without being told what to do, to make decisions, to decide what to do without somebody telling you what to do. So to show a lot of initiative. He showed a lot of initiative by ringing the client up as soon as he had an idea that there might be a problem. Good students always show a lot of initiative. They ask questions, they give examples, they study and find other ways of studying the things that they learn in class. Yeah? You need to use your initiative. Yeah, I shouldn't always have to tell you what to do. Use your initiative. Decide yourself what to do. Okay, on your own initiative. Yeah, you do it yourself. You plan it yourself. Nobody has to tell you what to do. And then the initiative, the advantage to lose the initiative. Yeah, so my team started really well in the match, but after a while they lost the initiative. To take the initiative, yeah, the opportunity to win an advantage, to seize the initiative. Okay, and these are the different ideas of using initiative. So your initiative, your ability to work things out and start things on your own, independently, to initiate initiative. So enterprise, inventiveness, resourcefulness. Yeah, initiative to the power or the opportunity to act or to take charge before somebody else does. So the unions have seized the initiative in the industrial dispute, an advantage, to get an edge, to get an upper hand. Yeah, and then an initiative, a strategy or an action designed to resolve a problem, to improve a situation. Yeah, so a plan, a scheme, a strategy. They have the government has started several new initiatives to increase the employment, to decrease the number of unemployed young people. Yeah, an initiative as well can also actually be the procedure or the power to introduce legislation, but the power of a normal citizen, where somebody can propose a law and have it submitted to the electorate. Okay, so the first step, the first action, to take the initiative, the right or the power to begin something. He has the initiative. Yeah, the ability, the attitude, which begins things, which initiates things. On your own personal initiative, to act on your own initiative. Okay, so initiative, we use it in various different ways. Let's see, formality, initiative. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Um, Could you use it informally? I guess so, but I think it's probably better to semi-formal speaking, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then as to origin, it comes from late Latin initiare, to begin, initium, the beginning, ineo, to enter, to begin. Okay, so an initiative, the first move, the beginning of something, a fresh approach to something, the ability to act first. Use your own initiative. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Initiative.